What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. I wanted to show you guys an interesting chart that kind of shows you a really big picture of what Bitcoin is doing, as well as look at our midweek price action update. So let's get to it.
Trade Genius.
All right, guys, it's Thursday, June 7th. Let's take a look real quick before I show you that chart. Let's take a look at price action. We've continued to bounce off of this lower part of the pennant, and I don't think we're out of the woods yet. Again, like I told you guys, and this goes for Litecoin and Bitcoin, key is getting above this mid span of this pennant. So this 8100 area, let's call it, that's going to be key. That's also key resistance, which is around this dash line here. So once we start getting up there, I would expect some sort of a pullback. In the meantime, there's swing opportunities in here. And so whenever like right now, we're running up against this resistance here at 77.34 and also this downtrend line. So expects a pullback in this area back down, but I think it's going to continue to grind higher. Still keeping an eye on volume. The shaded area is the average volume. As you can see, that's still in a downtrend. And we really haven't seen any spiking daily bars like this one here. That was a beauty. And this one here. And so on and so forth. So that's the stuff we're really looking for to give us a sustained move up. Now, what I wanted to show you guys was, I tweeted this out yesterday and said, don't get lulled out of a massive Bitcoin bull run. Consolidations are healthy. So what it is we have basically a bull pennant, and this is just on a logarithmic chart, so it scales better. But this is a massive consolidation pattern on a very bullish formation. And this is just when you get a big run up, you're going to consolidate for a bit before the next leg up. And if you consider that this has happened really without any of the big institutional money getting invested yet. It's starting, yes. And there are some funds, but by and large, institutional money flows haven't really made their way into Bitcoin yet. It's starting, though. There's a lot of stuff going on in the background as far as different exchanges and different funds looking to get the proper paperwork in order so that they can institutionally invest in Bitcoin properly and meet all the regulations. So there's a tremendous upside here, guys. And so don't let this consolidation period affect your thinking if you're in this for the long haul. All right, this is a huge pattern, and it should break up to the upside sooner or later in 2018, get going again. So just wanted to show you this some perspective here on this pattern. Again, massive upside here, guys. But that being said, in between in the consolidation periods, there's still, that's why we have our express indicator. Lots of opportunities to go long and short if you're a more seasoned trader. And so that's why we come out with those tools, because in the meantime, when the hold method is going sideways or down or consolidating, you can still do your shorter term swing trades quite effectively. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Tweeted that out the other day. All right, guys, well, that's basically it for this video, and I will see you on tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Take care.
Trade Genius.